what's up? Hello everyone, it's your girl Nakia and we are back with another video. So today's video is going to be a shoe review, sneaker review, trainer review, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be a review, okay? And it's going to be a review on some Yeezys. They were gifted to me for my birthday. And I'm just going to talk about them. I'm going to talk about comfortability. I'm going to talk about design. Really? As I'm filming, making noise. Anyway, we're going to talk about comfortability, we're going to talk about the colors, we're going to talk about styling, we're going to do some on-foot footage, all of that. We're going to break it down. So before we even get into the video, I'm going to need you guys to like this video. I'm going to need you to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'm about to be on 100 subscribers. Like, it's just edging. We just need like 2 or 3 more to get to 100. So I'm going to need you guys to hit the subscribe button now. But anyway, I'm going to start rambling and we're going to get into the video. So first things first, before we even talk about the shoes and get to opening all that good stuff, let's talk about the box. Now, obviously the box is literally basic, but I love this box because it's like a pull out. It's a pull out. It's not like a flap or like a lid. So I think it's really convenient. And it just makes sense to me, honestly. It's like easy to put away and yeah, just sleek and nice. So this is the box. It says Boost here, 700, and then obviously all the little details on the side. Yeah. So when you open the box, obviously you get all the tissue paper and stuff. And that's about it really. But let's get into the shoe. You guys, when I got them, I couldn't stop smiling. Like, they're so nice. But let's get them out. So we have one foot here. These are the Yeezy Boost 700 Enflame Ambers. That's the name of the colorway. And just let's get into it. Like, honestly, these are flames, so the name matches. First things first, I do want to say I've never really been like a Yeezy super fan. Like, I've never really had any interest in them because I've always thought they're like really super expensive and I just never thought I'd have any. But I've always thought that this style of shoe is flames. Like, it's just so nice, like genius, like it's beautiful work of art. But let's get into the color. So we've got the orange sole here, which I think is like the main, you know, the star of the show. And we've got like a turquoise blue here. And then the main body of the shoe is beige. And I don't know if you can see on camera, but this is like a suede type of material here. And then up here you've got leather and like a bit of mesh there. And then you've got a brown right here, and I just think it's like colors that you might not put together but they work together. This colorway gives me 4 vibes, but honestly I'm not really one of those people who wear like certain things in fall, spring, winter, whatever. Like, I'll wear this all year round. I don't care what anybody has to say. But let's not forget the best part. They've also got reflective panels on them. So these two here, I'm pretty sure these here as well. And then at the back, these little dots, they are reflective as well. And then on the front, the lace hoops right there and right there reflect too, which I think is a nice touch. I don't know if you guys can see. I just got the flash on my phone. You can kind of see there. So let's get into sizing. These are a size 5 and my true size is 4.5, but obviously I wear 5s as well. But apparently you need to size up a half size in Yeezys because they can like run a bit small. So my boyfriend got me a 5 and that was smart thinking because they fit perfect, honestly. Like, if I was gonna get these for myself, I would have picked a 5 as well. So go a half size up. So the retail price for Yeezy 700s is $250. I know it's steep. But my boyfriend actually got these on lace. I don't know how much he paid for them. Obviously I'm not gonna go digging into that, but honestly this is my second video on lace. Like, lace, come sponsor, like, can we get a sponsor? But yeah, so he got these on lace. So if you're looking for Yeezys, then definitely head over there. I think Yeezys can kind of be hard to find once they've like been released, so there's one place to look. Now I have worn these once already, and I would say they're literally so comfortable. Like, it just looks like a comfortable shoe anyway. It reminds you of like back in the day when I used to wear Huaraches. It's got that kind of comfortability, or what are they called? Adidas Oswegos. Those are really comfortable. They kind of remind me of those as well. They've got that kind of, you know, like spongy feeling, like you're walking on clouds. So I'm just gonna show the shoes side by side. You can't even tell that I wore these. Like, can you tell? No, you can't. Like, guys, just look at them. Like, they're just flames. Like, I can't pick apart this shoe like at all. It's just, they're just beautiful. Like, beautiful. So I think I've covered everything, but for the next part of the video I'm just gonna cover like styling tips or outfit ideas. Okay, so I just had to leave the camera, so I don't know if the angles have changed, or I don't even remember what I last said, but we're gonna start from here. So the next part of this video is basically going to be me just giving some outfit slash styling tips on how to wear the shoes or what to pair them with, since some people might look at them and think, what the hell would I wear those with? So I'm basically here to tell you. So what I'm going to start off with first is what I wore them with. So I'm going to see if I can insert a picture on the screen. If I can figure out how to do that, it'll be right here. But since I got the shoes while I was on holiday, it was a birthday gift, so I had to work with what I had, and I actually paired it with this jacket right behind me. Now this jacket is from Beige. It's a varsity jacket, and this is what it looks like. It's got the logo on the front, it's got a bit of orange on there, which obviously the shoe has the orange on the side as well, and then this is the back. So I paired it with this and some black denim shorts and a little brown shoulder bag, and that's what I had, and that's how I made it work. And I also had some brown like tortoise shell shades, so that was just a quick use what I have type of outfit. Also, while I was on holiday, which is what I'm really excited about, I found this t-shirt in Pull & Bear, and as soon as I saw it, this was after, because I had saw the t-shirt before, but this is after I got the shoes, and I saw the t-shirt and I was like, oh my gosh, perfect, I have to get this t-shirt. So this is the shirt. If you know, you know. And honestly, like, the orange and the blue, but look, the front isn't even the best part. Let's see the back. Look at that, look at that, perfect. Like, tell me, come on, perfect fit. And then you can wear this with some like baggy jeans, the shoes. You could get a bag with a pop of color. Like, this is like if you want to do a chill vibe, you don't want to do too much, you don't want to put too much effort in. Like, the shirt does everything for you. All you gotta do is put on a pair of jeans. Like, come on, the shirt and the shoes do the talking. Now for a more simple outfit, you can do like an all-in-one bodysuit. Girls, you know what I'm talking about, like a beige sandy type bodysuit, a cropped jacket, then you got the Yeezys, some thick white socks. What else? You could do another pop of color on the bag if you wanted to, and just do it that way, something simple but still effective. You can do something like cargo pants, or some pants that have like loads of buckles on it. Again, that kind of beige color to match the base of the shoe, like this kind of color. And then a bodysuit, a crop top, or you can even do a crop top and then a varsity jacket over it. You can do lots of outfits to match these shoes. You just really have to just sit down and think about it. Or if you want to be super basic, you can just get a nice beige hoodie with like a print on the front or the back, some cycling shorts, some denim shorts, again the trainers, some chunky white socks. You don't have to do the white socks. And then again, another bag, and the bag can be basic, it doesn't have to be a pop of color. And there you have it, 3 different outfits, 4 outfits, I don't know, but there you go, outfits. So for everything that I've just mentioned, I'm gonna try and like leave some pictures on the screen. I'm not too good with the editing skills just yet, but I will try, and if not, I'll put some links in the description for outfits. And yeah, honestly, I think I've covered everything. We talked about colors, we talked about styling, comfortability, sizing, where I got them from. So I think that's it, and I'm just so excited about my babies. You guys, if you want to see me wearing these with the outfit that I put together, make sure you go to my Instagram. It's at nikia.menzies on Instagram. Head over there and you'll see the outfit that I put together for these, and you might be seeing some more. But yes, even though I didn't purchase these myself, I just thought I'd do another review on them since my last video did pretty well, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.